We've been waiting for 75 hours for this train. What if we get to the other side and find the train again?
No, I don't know.
It's huge.
Hey, it's possible because we're still going this side. Let me see. No, we won't because
We should have counted how many things it had.
how many coaches we have.
Can you get a train from Denver down here?
I don't think so. Let me check actually.
No. Sibalela ukugcina 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6, 7, 8,
9, 10, 11,
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, and these are long.
28,
29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34,
35, 36, 37, 38,
39,
40, 41, 42, what? 43,
44, 45, 46, 47,
48,
49,
50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55,
56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70,
71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, I'm telling you, 79, 80,
81, 82, 83, 84, 85,
86, 87, 88, 89, 90. What the 91? 93.
And when it started, we were 93. So it's over 100 because when we started, it had already done at least half.
Yes.
We might just be witnessing history, guys. This might just be the longest. Do you think there's anything longer than that?
Six and a half hours later.
74,
76, 77, 78,
79, 80, 81. Count if you're gonna count. 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104.
She'll be back from Utanaga when we make security.
108.
It's not too far.
110.
And then tell me I was lying.
112. 113. Continue.
114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 21, 122. Guys, 122. So we waited for at least 240 cards to pass.
Yep.
There's another one. No.
Yeah. Hey, Bo. What the fudge?
What did you say? Who was lying?
Yeah.
Was I not just told I'm lying? Mna?
Capella, they're like, I'm a pet. They're like dogs. They're just as big. Jesus.
They're bigger than a midget lion. They're bigger than a midget goat.